Hello everyone, now we will make a rotten apple and a caterpillar. Cut out an apple shape and turn it from one side as shown. Draw its leaves and stem. Now put different color clays and press it to make it flat as shown. Now draw caterpillar's eyes and ears and legs. Scatter the small pieces of apple everywhere and it's ready. Now we will make a Beyblade. Take a paper, fold it and open it. Now again fold it from both the sides and again open it. Follow this step for one more time as shown. Now fold the paper again and again in the same manner as shown in the video. Follow each steps very carefully as directed in the video. Now take another paper, fold it also again and again as shown in the video. Now fix the second paper into the first paper as shown in the video. Now take third paper, fold it in the following steps as shown in the video. Now fix the third one into the second one and your Beyblade is ready. Now take a white paper, paste it on a black round sheet. To make a house, take a square sheet paper. Use wooden cardboard piece to make its roof. Draw its window. Make and paste its path. Draw the doors of the house. Put the stick above the house to make tree bark. Put the glue randomly all over. Now sprinkle some salt all over it and your painting is ready. Now we will make a pen stand. Take a square shaped paper, fold it from between, now open it and fold it again and again as shown here. Now put a white paper into it and fix it. Now make more such designs and paste all of them together as shown in the video. Now paste a white sheet in the base of the stand and your stand is ready. Now we will make a carrot. Take an orange paper, roll it to form a cone. Now take green paper and fold it and cut it in the way as it is shown in the video. And roll it and put it inside the cone and your carrot is ready. Now we will make moon and rabbit. Take a paper, fold it in the steps as shown in the video. Now fold it again and again as we are doing in the video. Follow each process step by step very carefully. Try to give it a round shape as we are doing in the video. Put the rabbit on it and your moon and rabbit is ready. Thanks for watching.